This is tutorial number 102, and it is the Boolean remove application within Catia V5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 102, which is located on the DVD. So what I'm going to do in this tutorial is I'm just going to show you kind of like an application of why you would be using the Boolean remove. Now, I'm going to hide the body 2, and if you remember, we made this part in tutorial number 73. And what this is it's a very unique shape. If you had to make like the negative of it, it would take you very, very long and very, very hard. So say this was like a part and you need to make the mold for it. What you do is you'd bring this guy back and say this is like the block that the mold's going to be made from. All you're going to do is cut this guy out of that block. So to do that, we're going to use the remove. So click Insert, Boolean operation, click Remove. Click this guy to remove from this guy, click OK, and now it's removed that guy from the block. So now you have all the features and all the unique edges from the part that we made in tutorial number 73, and it's put into this part. So this allows you to kind of use tools to kind of bring it into another part, cut straight out from it, and just take it away. So using the remove tool, you can apply it to making molds and making kind of negatives of your part. And this concludes our tutorial on the Boolean remove application within Catia V5.